always complain at 12 in the afternoon. I thought that this would make it easier for you to hear me, and we would really take the audio quality to the next level.
Bet you didn't know you can get a pink megaphone. Oh, also a fun feature on this is that not only is there the alarm, but there's I think it's called soft music setting. So I thought that was pretty cool. There's like a third button. It's called like the light music setting. And here's what it sounds like, guys. So I don't know about you guys, but I feel like really mellowed out after listening to that. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're having a good time. I mean, I'm excited about this. Ever since things started getting serious again with the pandemic, I've been nervous to leave the house. So because I live in a small town, the one thing I've noticed that's lacking in my life is bubble tea. So today we're gonna be making bubble tea at home. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, how fun is that? I'm pretty new to the bubble tea community, if you will, and so I'm kind of a noob. I've only had a few flavors, but I still crave it. But when I went to Edmonton with my friend Serena, which there is a vlog of on my channel, I asked her about her recommendations. I was like, what's like a good flavor for like noobs? And she said that taro was kind of a good flavor. And I was like, I've never heard that word in my life, let's do it. And it was so good, but like I've yet to find a place that made it as good as that shop in Edmonton. But it's really good. If you've never had taro, it's like a purple root. I think it's kind of like a purple yam, but it just kind of tastes like vanilla from what I've had. Anyway, I'm pretty lactose intolerant. Like I kind of cut milk out of my diet like probably like 10 years ago. I don't know. But I stopped drinking milk. I still have like some dairy products, but I don't even like the taste of milk anymore. I mostly just drink almond milk. So whenever I go to shops and get things like milk tea, it can be a problem for me because it causes me discomfort. And I honestly don't even really know how milk interacts with my body anymore. I started putting cream in my coffee during quarantine, and now I get stomach aches whenever I eat. So if you are also dairy-free, welcome to the club. We are making dairy-free taro boba today. At home, by the expert, folks. What do you call like somebody who makes boba? Are they a barista? Are you a bobarista? If you guys work at bubble tea shops, I sincerely hope you guys call yourselves bobaristas, because that is genius. You can take it, just, you know, link me. So I'm just gonna show you guys quickly like what I bought to do this. So I got like these ready in 5 minutes tapioca pearls off Amazon. Everything's off Amazon because I don't want to talk about it. I went on a journey to try and find a way to do dairy-free taro, like I guess it's not really tea, but like milk drink. It was so expensive to buy all the parts you needed to make it. Like buying the taro powder on its own was like you had to get a massive bag and it was super expensive. But finding like small portions of like ready to make like the taro mix, they were cheaper, but it was either hard to tell if they were dairy-free or they weren't dairy-free. And so I finally settled on this. It was kind of in the middle price range between the two, and it's a taro powder mix. So it's basically like you just add water, and it has non-dairy creamer in it. So I was like, okay, there's a compromise I can live with. The final conclusion I came to, I was like, okay, we're ready to go, ready to check out. And then I realized, I'm like, how am I gonna drink it? Like I don't have any of those big fat straws that are able to suck up boba. And I compromised and I got like a bubble tea reusable cup. It was cute. And this was the shade, like the color. You get different colors. This was the shade taro. So I was really happy about that. So let's just get started. I'm really excited to drink some bubble tea. I also tried to dress for the occasion. Since my cup was in the color taro, I tried to wear like a light purple color. So here's how I made the tapioca pearls.
The ratio for making them was about 10 cups of water to 1 cup of boba. So once I brought the water to a boil, I slowly added the boba to the pot. I'm sure there's a reason for this, I just don't know it. Once the boba is slowly floated to the top, you cover the pot and boil it for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then while you're waiting for your boba to boil, you can enjoy a little salad break. Ooh, look at that salad. Yum. What is that, apples? You got some Dijon vinegar dressing in there? Damn, girl, pass that over. Oh wait, that's me. After that, you turn the heat off, leave the lid on, and allow the boba to simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. While that was happening, I was adding some brown sugar to a dish so that I could add the boba to it once it was ready. I added a little bit of the water from the pot, then the boba, and then just let it sit in that sugar tapioca water until I was ready to use it.
Oh, it smells good. It's like a pretty lilac-y purple color.
So putting together the drink mix was fairly easy. I followed a recipe using this exact same brand, and it called for 3 tablespoons of the drink mix to 2 teaspoons of sugar, then topping that all off with 1.5 cups of milk or water, whatever you decide to use. Then they recommended you use a blender to mix all of that together and then pour over ice and enjoy. But if you're anything like me, you probably put all the drink mix at the bottom, making it nearly impossible for it to blend in with the milk, so you end up shaking it like a madman.
It says, official member BBT Club, Bubble Tea Club. Bubble Tea Club exclusive. But I don't remember joining any clubs, so I might have just joined a cult by buying this. But it's got like this little girly on it, and not only was the fact that it came in the shade Tarot a big seller for me, among the other shades, but it has a little text on it that says, just a reminder, you're appreciated. And any cup that tells me I'm appreciated, you sold me. When the cup was nice to me, you won. Okay, I'm gonna put some of the boba in. I'm actually starting to get super excited. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I was supposed to make like kind of a brown sugar syrup. Mine kind of was like more of a water, so that was kind of a failure on my part. I think now is the moment of truth. I'm gonna add the taro milk. Oh my god, that's beautiful. I've been liking sitting at this windowsill, like on the floor, and filming here because it always gets a lot of like nice natural light, and I'm all about it. How cute. I'm feeling kind of cute today, which is good because I was definitely feeling kind of depressed the past few days, and that's probably why I bought this bubble tea. My predictions are this is gonna taste dairy-free, which I probably won't mind because I like almond milk, so it's probably gonna be not as thick. It's probably gonna be more watery. I also think I overcooked the tapioca pearls a little bit, and I think I really goofed it with the brown sugar syrup being more of a brown sugar water. I really love the cup though. Like, I love the color. Like, we match. Without further ado, oui, je parle français, mais pas très bien. I'm like nervous. I don't want to fail. I want this to be delicious. That's some good stuff. This is so good. So good. Here are my thoughts and what I would do differently. If you're gonna make this at home, I definitely recommend it. I think it was worth the money if you're a big bubble tea person. If you're just doing it to try it, maybe don't. Because all these materials cost me like $90. If you're someone like me who's very committed to finding ways to do the stuff you like at home, I would definitely recommend this. I'm gonna link the stuff down below if you want to get the exact stuff I used. But here's what I would do differently. It's the flavor of the taro is really good. Really good. I love the powder. The tapioca pearls actually turned out really well. Like, they're still kind of chewy firm. So I'm actually glad I didn't like turn them into mush. That's really good. I think it just needed to be a little stronger. I think if it was milk, well, even if it was milk, I might add a little more. So I did 3 tablespoons. I would recommend 4 tablespoons. I also did 1 teaspoon of sugar. I would recommend doing the 2. You can also add black tea to this if you'd like. I know that that's a big thing, so if you want your taro to be like actual like milk tea, you can add black tea to this. This is so much fun. I actually had a little fun time doing it. I was listening to podcasts, eating my salad, waiting for my tapioca to cook. That's all from me today. Thank you so much for watching. It means the world to me that you do. You can like, comment, subscribe if you'd like to, but hey, I'm not forcing you to do anything. Just know that it helps me out a lot when you do. I'm gonna go watch TV for the rest of the day. Bye. Please don't unsubscribe. It's just tapioca.